Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I guess this is our fifth video on JavaScript series. As you can see the title, today we are going to discuss about the JavaScript data type. Before that, let us just summarize our previous video which was about variables in JavaScript. And I have explained about var, let and const. As you know, in var we can declare the value. If override also we don't get any error. In let we can't declare or reassign the value. In let we can reassign the value but we cannot declare the value. But in const, the name itself says it's constant and we cannot redeclare or reassign the value. We have learnt about this in our previous video. And today here we are going to learn about the data types in JavaScript. We have different data types. You can see here we have number. This is big integer. We say it as BigInt. The third one is the Boolean. The fourth one is string, undefined, null, symbol and objects. We'll learn this one by one inside the script. The first one we'll learn is the string. For that, I'll simply create a var x equals to I'll write hello JavaScript. And then I'll print this simply. I'll write document dot write. Inside this, I'll mention x. If I open this with live server, we'll get this hello JavaScript. You can see it here, we got this hello JavaScript. How one can say that this is the string? To know this, we have to simply write document dot write. Inside this, we have to mention type of. If we write type, we'll get this type of x. Now this will show that what is the type of x. You can see it here, it is string. Wait, let me add a break tag here. Wait, I have to use this double quotes. Inside this, I have to mention the br tag. Okay. Okay, here there is a mistake. Now you can see this. This x is a string. The type of x is string. Like this, we have different types. You can see it here. We have number, Boolean, undefined, null. We'll see this one by one. Anything written inside double quotes or a single quotes are defined as a string. Instead of this, if I write a number inside this double quotes like 235, I'll open this side by side so that it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, now you can see this here. I have mentioned the number but it shows string because anything, as I said, anything written inside the double quotes or a single quotes is always referred as string. If I remove this, now you can see number. The type of x is the number. In the same way, we have Boolean. If I mention true, we got this type of x is Boolean. In Boolean, we have only two values. Either it may be true or false. The first one we saw is the string, and the second one is the number, and the third one is the boolean. Now we are going to learn about the arrays. Inside this bracket, I'll write HTML, I'll give a comma, CSS, JavaScript. You can see it here, instead of array, we are getting object because arrays are a type of object in JavaScript. Then the last one we have is the object. Okay, we have two more. To create an object, we'll use this flower bracket. Inside this, first name, I'll write first name. I'll use double quotes for string Joe. Then I'll give a comma. Then I'll write last name. Okay, this is how we create this object. Arrays are also the kind of object only, so we got both as object. You can see it here. I'll simply inspect this. We'll open this with the live server. Just wait. I'll just check this again. Instead of document.write, I'll simply use console.log x. Now we can inspect this. You can see it here. It's an object, and we got this here. The first name is Joe, and the second name is, last name is Doe. This is how this data type works. I guess we left two more, null and undefined. If I mention where x is equal to null, you can see it here, we'll get the result as null. You can see it here. X has no value. Instead of null, like this we have one more, that is undefined. For that, if I don't mention any value here, if we inspect this, I'll click on this console, unexpected token. Okay, here we got undefined. If we don't mention the value of x, we'll get undefined if x has no value. These are the different types of data types. In our next video, we are going to learn about the JavaScript arithmetic operators. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching this video.